to write you this song. 2 hours a day, 5 months and a year. Oh, I loved you too long. You keep blowing me out, I keep holding you in. I keep asking myself, oh, why do you still hurt?
Samahan nyo kami mag-fishing sa probinsya ng Pangasinan. Good morning! Naglalakad na nga kami papuntang dagat para mangisda. Sana may mahuli. Kaso iba ata ang gustong hulihin ni Kurt. Maganda ang panahon. Maganda ang sikat na araw ngayong umaga. Ganito itsura ng dagat kapag low tide dito. Pero dahil low tide, mas madali kaming makapunta sa spot na pangingisdaan namin. Yung mga bote na plastic na yun ay yung gagamitin namin panghuli ng isda. Dahil sa mga bato na yan, may mga isda na dyan. Kitang-kita ilalim. Nakakita rin pala kami ng sea urchin. Pag natusok kayo nyan, babad nyo lang sa suka. Tapos kunin nyo lang ng tiyanik. Ganda ng view ng nature, lalo na sa personal. Pero pag sa Manila, itong nature lang nakikita ko. Ito pala yung pain namin. Ang tawag nila dito, umang. Kakarating lang namin sa spot pero may huli na. Spotty grouper, sa Tagalog, lapu-lapu. Sinubukan ko ang silipin yung mga isdang inuhuli nila sa ilalim. Kita nyo ba yung ilalim? Sobrang linaw ng tubig. Kaya maliligo na rin kami. Kita nyo ba yung isda na inuhuli namin? Hindi namin nahuli yan.
Hey, don't go shooting all the dogs, cause one of them got fleas. Don't just listen to these songs and think that you got grease. They just lyrics, I be venting to this mic, it's therapy. You could leave, they not me. Godspeed, sweetie, living out my dreams. I don't need a genie. Pops did Madonna shows, music in my blood, it was destined for me. Way before I even seen a CD. Cross the wrong line, you gon' need a treaty. Peace is a lie, there is only passion. And through passion I get stronger. Long days work.
What the dog doing?
Oh, yung may nagdidilig.
Getting on, getting better, but they only get longer. Getting there is half the battle, staying there is much harder. I've been flying out to islands so remote we must charter. Been a pro for 10 years, trying to go another 10. Going hard like Vince Carter. Leave something for my son and my daughter in case of my departure.
You know that I'll always try to get it right. I'm working.
Dahil medyo maalon, sumabit niyang pangingwit ni Kurt.
Yeah, you know that I'll always fight for what is mine. I'm working hard to leave a legacy behind.
Yeah.
Binalikan namin yung una naming spot, baka sakaling may mahuli pa kami. Kita nyo ba yung mga isda? Pinapakain ko lang talaga sila. Lubog natin yung camera para makita natin kung anong ginagawa nila. Kita nyo yan, gutom na gutom sila. Oh. Binubuksan nila yung sea urchin na nakuha nila. Diyan nakukuha yung uni.
Aba, tatlong nakuha. Tag-isa kayo dito yung tatlo? Oo.
Kaso wala masyadong laman yung nakuha nila.
Launti lang naman. Ano yung mga magkaliskis ka na, Kurt? Uy, ang dami, sayang.
Lilinisan at kakaliskisan na rin namin yung isda para pag uwi, lulutuin na lang.
Pwede yung...
You said it was the last time, but you keep coming back to tell me sorry that you take back all the things you said just to hurt me. And love just went cold. I try to build my walls up, but you're taking them down. It's tearing me apart, I can't pretend. Now I have to get over you again.
Ngayon pauwi na kami para maluto na namin yung isda. Kasi tanghali na.
Uwi na kami.
May ulam naman kami. Gusto lang namin ma-experience yung mga ganitong bagay. Pero lulutuin pa rin namin yung mga isda kasi sayang naman pag di namin kinain.
Kami. Malamig.
Kung mapapansin nyo, high tide na. Kanina wala pang tubig yan.
Sige na, nauna na ako.
At nakauwi na nga kami. Tapos magbabanlaw na rin kami para makakain na. Ito yung mga huli naming isda, niluto na nila. Hindi nakasama si Kia kanina kasi marami siyang ginagawa.
Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Luto na yung pagkain kaya kakain na kami. Ito yung isda na nahuli namin kanina. Kumuha na rin ako ng sili para masarap ang kainan.
Na, papaus agad si Tito Chaso. Ang lamig na iniinit. Kamuti kulay red nan.
Pagkatapos namin mag-lunch, syempre kakainin namin yung paborito namin panghimagas. Mangga na may bagoong.
You came out of nowhere that first time. Said you were too tired to walk the line. I said then hold up, precious. I can be a goldsmith and you a nomad or a tailor, and we don't have to follow the rules.
Pagtapos nilang maglaro, nagmerienda na rin kami.
Dito na namin tatapusin to kasi mag-online church na kami. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa panonood. Kita-kits sa next videos.
Oh,